The command line searches for the particular form of a word that you enter after you type a control character, like the period. But let's say we wish to search for both the singular and the plural form of a word in English. For example, the word gate. Our first option is to use an OR search. That is the / and then enter gate, leave a space, and then the word gates. Then hit enter. Let me display the Words tab to view the words that were found from our search on the command line, as seen here. Now we have a second option for searching, which is to use wildcards. Let me display the command line code insertion buttons by right-clicking on the command line and choosing Code Insertion Buttons. In the middle of our code insertion buttons, notice that we have the asterisk, which is the wildcard for 0 or more characters, and then the question mark, which is a wildcard for any single character. These wildcards can be helpful in our searching for plural forms of a word. So let me conduct a command line search for period gate, and then add the asterisk at the end of the word. The asterisk stands in for multiple or no possible characters following gate. So when I hit enter, I find that I've found both gate, gates, and also gatekeepers, gateway, or gatekeeper in the New American Standard Version. Another example would be the word city. If I type in period, CIT, then the asterisk, and hit enter, I found a number of different words that begin with the letters CIT. The question mark wildcard can also be helpful for finding other plural words. For example, if I type in period, WOM, question mark, N, I can search for both woman and women at the same time. And notice our Word tab shows us that we found both woman and women.